In this chapter, we delve into case studies to glean practical insights from successful community building and engagement efforts. Each case study illustrates how different businesses have leveraged the power of community to drive their success. Case Study 1: A tech startup. This case study analyzes a tech startup that effectively built and engaged a vibrant online community. It highlights how this community became a key driver of product development, customer support, and innovation, leading to the startup's rapid growth and success. Case Study 2: A small local business. This case study examines a small local business that tapped into its local community, using community engagement to build strong relationships, enhance customer loyalty, and increase its local market share. Case Study 3: A social enterprise. This case study explores a social enterprise that mobilized a global community around a social cause. It underscores the transformative potential of a community when it is galvanized towards a shared purpose. Case Study 4: A corporate giant. This case study investigates a corporate giant that strategically used community engagement to foster innovation, employee engagement, and corporate responsibility. These case studies offer a diverse perspective on community engagement, demonstrating its value across different sectors, scales, and contexts. They provide practical examples of the strategies discussed in this guide, making them more tangible and applicable. Pooyan Ghamari rightly says, "Success is not just about making money. It's about making a difference." These case studies exemplify businesses that have not just achieved financial success through community engagement, but have also made a significant difference in their communities. In the next chapters, we will examine practical steps to apply these lessons to your own community building endeavors.